guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, most out today's news. Ruben Amorim, will be the Sporting Lisbon coach, don't come aside from media side to come give Arsenal warning. So Babako the talk say the match will go play for the second leg on Thursday for this week where they come say that match now very open tile. So make us no go think say maybe they don't qualify already. Say that match they very open, anybody can win. You can say themselves they very confident say they go collect result for that place and they go qualify. Say it could have even been better because for the first leg, if you see them win Arsenal like 2-1 or 3-1, say for the very open again because they missed a lot of chances. You got to complain of that chance where Paulinho miss, we bad they give a through pass, run, just caught Saliba, throw the ball, say so to say they score that one, if you make a whole lot of sense. Obviously they created more chances, quite alright. Arsenal had the possession, but now them creates the clear-cut chances to extend their lead, but just the unfortunate due to one freak own goal. We can shaka white boy, not player keeper go like this, ball go like this, the entire match end 2-2. Again, so for that reason, they feel say well for the second leg they get a lot of things to play for. But on the other hand, when you look at from a different lens, you go see say Arsenal were missing a lot of players in the first 11. So for that second leg, those players will be back. So expect people like Gabriel Jesus leading the line, expect Trossard to be on the bench, expect Odegaard to be on the match, expect Partey to be on the match. Expect our players Ramsdale to be on the goalpost. So the way we will take set up against them, not be so we take set up against them for the return leg, and they'll be playing in our own turf, in our own fortress. The way they get their own fortress, that's how they believe say they get forward. For our own end, who say go let them know say that one that play for that first one, and shiri. This one that they come for England, I'm not play for you. And at the same time, they'll be missing two of their best players. So especially that their captain will be the rock for that their defense. That guy really disturb us well. So in they go play for the return leg. So we'll see how they will conform to the new reality. Now away from that, so João Paulinho so because yesterday the guy go miss the match where Arsenal go play against Fulham, and I did very happy. If you know what Paulinho they bring to this Fulham side, Paulinho and I be like their own Thomas Partey. If you know they, then they lose. The two match, like the last two match, okay, let me use the last one. And Brentford beat them 3-2 because as Paulinho know they can't bring in some other person. We don't really get the experience of defensive midfield control and there, so that place can't the leak can't protect the back four. So they were playing unlike the way they used to play. So that goes to show say Arsenal get luck. That's why some pundits kind of talk say Arsenal they usually get luck these days. Whenever they play some things, if this is that one star player no play or another thing will happen because they complain. So when they play Tottenham Hotspur, Richarlison no play. When they play this one no play. When they play Brighton this one don't, like so many players like play Brighton, make I no lie, away from home. Brighton had like 4 or 5 first team members missing again. Though you see this title, sometimes if you play heaven and earth and if you know win, sometimes you need luck on your side. And this time around I can say the nature nature is with us or should I say God is with us, but I don't like to say God is with us because everybody says get God with them. So I just say nature is playing a significant role to this our title ambition because with the get luck, imagine a whole Paulinho no go dey just because you don't get 10 cards in the season and it's going to miss 2 matches. So it is what it is. But at the same time, we'll just go there, get our results. That one are key, and make all our players come back. And what I hear from Gabriel Jesus to be say Gabriel Jesus they very sharp in training. So the guy they play, they can't wait to bring him back. So what do they say? Everything will push. At the same time, Nigel Winterborn, maybe one of our legends, come as I call it all say Martinelli. It will make sense make Arteta they play him as a number 9 because the way Martinelli they play in like him, you get say that pace fine, no get height. They will feel bully him, which is one of the things where people like me they reserve. Say that's why I don't like making play number 9 because he can be easily bullied. But when it comes to maybe give him through ball, the first to reach, he go beat almost any defender again because he's very pacey. But for me, I go prefer someone who puts Martinelli for the flank because that is where he's more potent. Now there people they fear him because the way Arteta the setup, we don't say everybody they play low block against us, so they use our wingers, they stretch the teams, carry them go the line, make them come out, So even if they won't gang up on you, go create space for other people. And that is why I like the arrival of Gabriel Jesus, because when Gabriel Jesus don't enter, teams no go fit easily gang up against us, because I want to do one. Two people mark Martinelli, two people mark Saka. How many people go mark Jesus? So sometimes two people go need to hold Jesus, so Saka go free, Martinelli go free. You know, the way we take the setup, if he come back, we did very, very good. We should say we get a very, very potent attack. How you want to do it? If you mark Saka, you mark Odegaard, you mark Martinelli, Jesus will go. So that's all. And when Jesus don't come back, everybody don't come back, maybe we can see a resurgent Granit Xhaka. Maybe we'll start to score the way when they scored before, entering the box late and bombing those shots. I never really know. So let's keep our fingers crossed and keep watching. Granit Xhaka sef don come outside call the talk say this title race say dey easy. So we are learning to play under this pressure because it's something we are not used to. You get say make we everybody don't call us the favourites. You get so we come dey play and say dey very very easy. At the same time, Baba call the talk say most teams now when you watch the way they play, the teams set up against us differently from the way they go play other teams, and the reason is because we are at the top of the table. So people are scared of us. People, in short, before we play, a lot of people expect us to take 3 points because we are at the top of the table. So that one will come make some people who come they play low block. Like I said, I talk. Almost all the teams who don't play this season played low block against us. Almost all of them. Nobody played their normal way. Man City played against us and they did not play their normal way. They changed their tactics. They changed their formation. You get. Newcastle played against us. They did not play the normal way. They came here and started that gang up pressing. You get. Now they started that gang up. Say gang up on Martinelli, gang up on this one, gang up on that one. And then start all those one. Everybody going to follow their lead. You get. So that's what people are. In short, these days people they collect draw against us. They did very happy see they collect draw. We see how the tides have changed. You get. When you are playing against Arsenal, you want Newcastle play against us, play gang up football. Can't go play Man City, play normal football. Who does that? Because they are scared of what we bring to the table. You get. So that's why I check at the talk say even the pressing, people press more against us, they play more low block against us. But so at the end of the day, we just look for different ways to unlock all those low blocks so that we'll get our 3 points and surge ahead. So go just watch as everything they go. For those who know they are aware, don't forget say Odegaard day out, Baba they sick. You get Odegaard they sick, then Nketiah day out, then Trossard self day out. Jesus is about to come back, so we are expecting all these guys to be back by the time we will play Fulham. You get so tomorrow match might be too soon for Odegaard. Well, they are still racing to see him play, but I think it may be too soon. People like Trossard, it may still be too soon. Also, you get because for me, I'll prefer 100% Vieira than maybe 50% Odegaard. You get so keep him. There are so many games to come, so we need all the help we can get. So we just watch our services go. After all, the match where they play against Fulham, our Craven Cottage. Fulham said they miss some of their players, but that Mitrovic, the battle between Mitrovic and Saliba or Mitrovic versus Gabriel Magalhaes is very, very key. We'll see how it will be. Saliba said don't come outside when they defend Kivio from fans' criticism. So Babakar talk say quite alright, say now in first game in play. And you know very, very easy to go away from home, go to Sporting Lisbon ground, away with that place, not tough arena. Go there, go collect a win. Sporting Lisbon last 5 games now, draw, win. They win like 5, draw 1. Yes, they're very, very good at home. So we go there, collect results. I can't throw a new player, just throw him inside the Wolves den, or Lions den. What did they say go happen? So unfortunately, say they play well, but unfortunately they conceded 2 goals. But one of the reasons we make people they castigate this Kivio, now the fact say that goal where Quartet score, where the guy crossed not. Kivio was there, rooted to the ground. He didn't jump up. If you say jump, at least if I compete against that person's corner. So Baba just did unfortunately say he no jump. So that's why people can't criticize him. You get just like our some of our legends they criticize Matt Stone and say the guy no the confidence, no fit command that in area, that in box 18, the way Ramsdale the commander. I know when to go out. Jump, punch ball. No, I go throw ball, give opponents. Like he made a lot of errors when people use punish us, but unfortunately for the opponents, they no score. You get unfortunately for us, we were saved. So more than say everything they go sharp. Even Matheus Reis, will be the fullback of Sporting Lisbon, come outside and complain. Say for that match where Arsenal play against Sporting Lisbon, say the referees were helping Arsenal. Say because for the first goal where Arsenal score, where Saliba jump score, they will notice say Zinchenko hold that Matheus Reis down. The guy come for. So the Zinchenko said, "Come they see away for come the clap for and say nice one, simulation master." They try. We make the come fight because this is where they hold Zinchenko. They come push. And because like they raise alarm, says they check all this guy now, referee, why no blow now, van call, whatever, I no check him again. So the guy they complain say Arsenal they hold their player during set pieces because it is on record say Sporting Lisbon is very, very good at set pieces. Cross and not, they be master, they sabi and die. So that's why Arsenal they hold them, they draw them down. So they call the complaint say referee no blow anything. Despite saying that then they at home, at least it's supposed to get some kind of favoritism from the referee, but nobody like that. The complaint say referee they help us, so referee for the help for that be. So the guy come to talk say, but for the second leg, you know, the hope say referee no will do the same thing. But yeah, well, second leg should be now on Thursday night. No fun. We'll see it to happen. Our Granny Shaka self don't come outside. Call the talk say Gabriel Jesus arrival. You guys say the thing will give us a perfect title boost or title jolt. Say the way the guy they play now, if he come back, for training, the guy they display well. Say when the guy come back, it will uplift everybody's spirit and morale because we all know what it brings to the table, and this is coming at the perfect time, a time when people like Eddie Nketiah is out injured, people like Trossard is out injured, and these are two people wait for fit inside that number 9 position so that the Roses will get adequate time to be match fit and come in and do his job. So now when they come back, myself, I did very, very optimistic. Say we need this guy because when you check that match we played against Sporting Lisbon, we were struggling a bit up front because we had nobody. And another thing we say, Martinelli himself missed some kind of chances for that match. He could have buried some chances, so just the unfortunate. But at the end of the day, we just hope say maybe in the next match, don't be surprised. We'll say tomorrow match I go see the races for bench. Don't be surprised we'll get. So I'm saying something like that happening, or maybe in the second leg tie against Sporting Lisbon they'll come unleash Gabriel Jesus fully, just put them from the beginning. But I say make it enter, everybody go shock. Say that's what they be. Now my own prediction why they see from my little lens. So let's keep watching. For those who know they are aware, so the FA don't clear Arsenal of any wrongdoing for their Bournemouth celebration. So you know, say the referee Chris Kavanagh wrote a match day report and added the fact that Arsenal's coaching staff run into the field of play and some of the players have run into they were celebrating, whereas 90 minutes never reached, never blew final whistle. So the FA can say okay, they're going to investigate them. Now they don't investigate them, and you know, say many pundits and commentators, sports commentators, don't talk about this issue. Say make the FA just know how they will do things because this is a subconscious decision. People are trying to express the emotional side of them. So don't go use them as the punish of the football. It's all about entertainment. It's all about expressing yourself. So don't go use this 1 minute of madness, can't scatter everything. That's so you go find Arsenal. How many fines don't give Arsenal this season? So maybe the FA don't reason. You can't use logic. You get. Because truly, no lie, we went against the football laws. You're not supposed to enter the field of play unless maybe you are a paramedic and somebody they sick, you can't enter. So the FA can't say, well, they don't check the everything, say they don't get any action when they will take against Arsenal. And I think one thing is key. The fact say Mikel Arteta said not enter the field of play because 2008 when Liverpool win that match, Jurgen Klopp enter the field of play, go celebrate. They never even win finish. Match they go on, go celebrate with the goalkeeper, and it was fine. They get so as long as Arteta no enter, I think that's why they will say okay, we will leave Arsenal because the rule was Arsenal failed to control their players in their match against Bournemouth. That was the charge, but the FA don't say okay, no wala, no go do anything. So that's what it just be. So I did very happy so we don't escape that one. So until the next match. At the same time, today all eyes will be on the match between Crystal Palace and Man City. They will play, I think it's 6:30 or thereabouts. Now the last match of the day. So all eyes for me. I don't know about you, but me, I'll be keenly interested in that match. I will watch them because I know say Crystal Palace is like a boogie team for Man City, especially away from home at this time. Crystal Palace, anything can happen. So I will check as long as Zaha go play, Olis go play. I go know say okay. Now people go fit disturb Crystal Palace with that. I will see how the match will be. So if Man City just score 1, people go fit disturb Man City rather. If Man City just score 1, on my way off TV they go. But if as long as 0-0 the match they go on half time, I go to watch it. As long as say Crystal Palace go do mistakes, score 1, I go to watch it. They go. But Man City just score, bye off TV. So if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.